Class is dismissed. But before you go, I need to make an announcement. Tomorrow morning, there is going to be a fire drill, and I want you to behave. Oh no, not a fire drill! The fire alarms are so loud and they scare people for no reason, including me. Too bad. We all need to do fire drills seriously. It's safety for our school. You can all go home now. I'm scared. I do not want to do the fire drill tomorrow. I wish I could cancel it for good. But how? I got it. At 2 a.m., I'm going to break into the school and break the fire alarms. That way, no more scary fire drills forever. It's 2 a.m. Now let's get to work. Success! Okay, now to get to work. Classic Billy, Chris Spunky down. Please report to the principal's office immediately. Classic Billy, I found out that you broke into the school and broke the fire alarms. That's school property. I owe you up to $4 million. And you're suspended. Go home now. Whee! Have a nice day.